today's topic. Using the concatenate function can be very helpful when you need to combine text from different cells into one. Here's an example. Let's say you have 3 columns in your Excel sheet: A for first name, B for last name, and C for email address. You want to create a column with the full name and email address for each person. Here's how you can use concatenate function to achieve this. In column D, type the formula equals concatenate A2, B2, C2. This will combine the text in cells A2, B2, and C2 with a space between the first and last name, a comma and space between the last name and email address. Copy the formula in cell D2 and paste it in the rest of the cells. In column D to fill out the full names and email addresses for all the people in your list. The result will be a column with the full names and email addresses combined. This can save you a lot of time if you have a lot of data to combine. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel.